Need to cancel, withdraw, or resubmit your SafeLink application? Here's how. You can cancel your active SafeLink service anytime by calling 1-800-378-1684 or logging into your account online. Canceling stops billing, but remember, you might need to return the subsidized phone within 30 days to avoid penalties. If your application is still pending, you can withdraw it by contacting customer service. If denied, don't worry. You can resubmit within 60 days, but make sure to update any incorrect information and provide new documentation to prevent fraud. Resubmitting requires fresh documents to comply with SafeLink's fraud prevention measures. For support with SafeLink, the primary contact is the hotline at 1-800-378-1684, available 24/7, or email support@safelink.com. For escalated issues, contact FCC Lifeline Support at 1-888-225-5322. International users can use the app's chat feature for non-English assistance, with average call resolution time of 5 to 10 minutes. Key trends show that 70% of applications are now submitted online through the mobile app, with AI chatbots providing instant eligibility checks. However, potential USF funding cuts in 2026-2027 could limit new enrollments, and tighter data caps may lead users to resubmit for higher tier plans. Stay informed about program changes and utilize the available support resources to ensure continued access to SafeLink services.